All right, check 1, 2. This is the test of first time. We have bike audio and video. No idea if this is going to work. Just going to go for a little ride. It's dusk. Got a full charge. Expect that there's going to be some wind noise. Try to keep it under control here so I don't freak anybody out. Going down the hill, 24 miles an hour. Probably can't hear me because of all the wind noise, I'm guessing. Turn my head to the side, turn my head straight. Oh, I got a car. And not gonna make that light. Stuck in here. Oh, bird. Get that bird. Get that bird. Somebody is burning something. It smells like smoke. Let's check that out. Someone's doing some backyard burning. Yeah, it's definitely boat season. Smokey over here. So I guess I'll just do a little narration while I'm riding along here. I've got about 31 miles an hour wide open with a headwind. I had to actually bypass a connector on my battery pack in order to get this thing up and running this year. I guess I had a Anderson connector fail, but it was actually kind of a pointless connection anyway. Probably ought to be a fuse, but just to get this thing on the road, I bypassed it. And yeah, at some point I gotta put a fusible link in there of some sort. There are other ways that it can protect itself if something fails, but it's always nice to have a big main fuse. Gas station looks pretty busy today. It's Memorial Day weekend, first day, so everybody's getting as crazy as the pandemic allows for. Let's take this traffic light and get back in the bike lane. Since we're just doing a short test ride tonight. No, didn't make the light. Yeah, we're gonna blow off the light. I would have been there for 10 minutes. I think I need to find a way to get this camera up higher. You're probably just looking at the ground right now. I don't know if it's me or it just seems that since the pandemic started, cars have given me a little more room. It's almost like social distancing with bikes and cars. I think it's probably just fewer flatlanders on the road. I'm gonna blow off this light too because this one takes forever and there's no cars. Normally I really do try to abide by traffic lights, stop signs, all that stuff whenever there are people watching. Try to set a good example for e-bikes. Looks like the Christmas spirit is still alive here, even though it's May. Oh, they wrote smile. That's nice. It's pandemic oriented, I guess. Smile. The human civilization has a virus. People are giving me some pretty odd looks, but it's because I look pretty weird right now. Got a full get up. Not very stealthy. right, time to go home and listen to how bad the audio is. Let's see what there can be done, what there is to be done. I think I'll probably end up needing to invest in a full face helmet if this is going to be even remotely feasible. Or I could spend $300 for one of those helmets as a built-in mic, but I don't think that's going to happen.